This is the assembly procedure for the 5-foot plant cage. When you get your package, you're gonna open it up. You're gonna have a mess of pieces. So first thing you have to do is put all the pieces into their component sizes and parts. So you should have 4 large bottom rails, 2 of which will have white stickers. You'll have the secondary rail with the red dowel. The third rail will just have a black dowel. And if you look, the size is reduced as you go. Then you'll have your 4th rail with the yellow dowel. And then the top rail, which is the shortest one, which also has a black dowel. So there'll be 4 of each of those. So really the best way to proceed is to put all the pieces together that are similar. As well, you'll have the 4 posts. Each of the posts has 1 white dowel. You'll see what use that is in a second. And then you'll have all your crisscross pieces. There's 2 sizes of those. One that have the red sticker. There'll be 8 of those. And you'll have the one with the yellow sticker. There'll be 8 of those as well. So the first thing that you want to do is take one of the posts that has a white dowel, and then one of the cross or the rails that has also a white sticker on it. All you're going to do, align and push down. If you find there's some resistance, you can give it a tap, but usually they slide on pretty well. Okay, second thing you're going to do now is get the rail that has the red sticker or red dowel. You're going to grab some of the crisscross pieces that have the red sticker, and all you're going to do is align the sticker to the dowel, interlock them, and then push on. And then you're going to get the next size rail, push that on so you have a piece similar to this. And then all you're going to do is align it to the dowels. And then push that on. Okay, same now for the yellow. Same procedure. Yellow, yellow, match them up, crisscross, and then the final top piece, top rail, push that on, align with the dowels, and then squeeze it on or tap it on. Stand it up, and here the same procedure. You take a second post, white dowel to white sticker, align, start at one end, and start aligning the pieces. So now you have one side ready. Don't worry if these slide down a little bit. There's a nail that's going to lock those in place at the end. So we have one side ready. Now you're going to do the same thing for the second side. Take a post, white sticker, white dowel, white sticker, align, push it on, red dowel, red sticker. They're universal, so it doesn't matter which piece you take. Place that on. Third side rail, align with the dowels, and push that on. And you're going for the yellow. cross pieces, align, top piece, align to the dowels, squeeze or push on. Here too you can set it up, and if you need to tap it. So the final post, same thing, white dowel to the white sticker, align. As I start at one end, a bit like a lever, as you go down, align and just kind of tap in the ends as you go. Okay, you got your second side. So now you take one of your sides and you're just going to do the same procedure at this point. So now there's no stickers on the bottom one. You can do both sides. We'll start on one side, red to red. Yellow to yellow. Top piece. The key is really try to keep your pieces organized. Red to red. Yellow. Sometimes it's easier to do with two people, but you can be done with one person. So same thing, align, and tap down. So now you have your main body assembled. You take your first assembled side. So now all you're going to do from one side, align a corner, tap it down, and work just on one side at a time. Align, tap, align, tap. Okay, same thing on the other side. You might want to go to the other side of the table on this. You can do this on the ground, but ideally you need a good flat surface where you can kind of see the alignment of the dowels and the holes. Don't worry about giving it a good hit. It's very solid. So here we go. We've got an assembled tower. So at this point, all you're going to do on a flat surface, set it up on the ground, and basically now you can put in the screws. So there's 16 screws. This is best done using a drill. You can do it with a hand screwdriver, but it will definitely take longer. The bit is in the package. So it's a square bit. All the screws are stainless steel, so they will never rust. And all you're doing at this point is putting in the 16 screws. Once you have the 16 screws in, and the full piece is assembled with all the screws, this is where you take the 1-inch nails, and if a piece is loose, or if it shifts down, try to find one that's shifting down, all you're going to do, so for instance there it just slides down a bit. All you're going to do here is put a nail in off center, and that will lock it in place so it doesn't slide down. So that's all you're going to do for that there. If you have the top spheres, at this point the spheres are going to have a dowel, and that all you're going to do is align with the hole on the top, and you're going to push it down, give it a good tap, and that will lock the sphere and the dowel to the top of the post. So that's basically it. If you have any problems with assembly, contact me. My phone number will be on the YouTube channel or on my webpage, woodbrute.com. Okay, thank you.